Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'll be doing a camera test on Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro, which is a new device. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Xiaomi has given 4 cameras on this device, dual rear camera and dual front cameras. On the rear, you get 12 megapixel main camera plus 5 megapixel secondary camera. It has AI mode, portrait mode, HDR, face recognition, and also slow motion video option. On the front, you get 20 megapixel main shooter and 2 megapixel depth sensor. You get face unlocking, AI enabled smart beauty mode. Also, you get portrait mode option, which is quite impressive. The most disappointing thing about the camera is it does not come with a 4K recording option. Xiaomi should have included this option. Maximum 1080p video recording with 30 frames per second option is given. Now let's have a look at some of the sample images and videos.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? 'Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here.
I'm quite impressed with this camera. In good lighting condition, pictures comes with a lot of details and contrast. And the portrait mode is also good, except on few occasions when it blurs the side of the subject, but overall it's quite impressive.
You're here to stay, no, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you.
Xiaomi has also given AI, Artificial Intelligence mode, which can recognize landscape, sky, animal, plant, etc. It also increases the dynamic range in your pictures. It's really good to see that Xiaomi has included this feature in a mid-end device.
Problems I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. Hey, little lady said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say, 'cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. I feel like you're lying, trying to be real, but you seem so fake. I'm so over trying to move on, but you're in my way. I'm so over trying to move on, but you're in my way. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you.
Front camera also have dual setup and is equally impressive. Front portrait selfies are really impressive with a great bokeh effect. The camera on this phone is definitely better than Redmi Note 5 Pro and the USP of this phone.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? 'Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you.
Now let's check the specification of this device and compare it with Redmi Note 5 Pro specs. Price is also similar between both the phones, just a marginal difference as Note 6 Pro is a new device, so a bit higher, but I'm sure Xiaomi will reduce the price after a few weeks of its official launch. It comes with 3GB 32GB and 4GB 64GB options. Redmi Note 5 Pro has been quite a successful device for Xiaomi, and Redmi Note 6 Pro is equally good, but the difference is not much between the two. If you are a proud owner of Redmi Note 5 Pro, I will not encourage you to upgrade for Note 6 Pro. Both are quite similar except for the screen size and camera enhancement. That's all for this video guys. I would be making more videos on this device. To see those videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video soon. Till then, goodbye. Peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.